In a world where the ocean breathes life and storms echo with fury, Moana finds herself on a new adventure that pulls her deeper into the heart of the sea. Journeying far from her home on Motunui, she lands on the Big Island, known for its powerful currents and ancient legends whispered by the waves. The ocean here is different, restless, and wild, as if it holds secrets in its swirling depths. Yet, Moana feels a sense of belonging as she stands on the island's shore, watching the clouds gather in ominous clusters, heralding the arrival of a storm like no other. The wind whispers in ancient tongues, urging Moana to listen closely and prepare for what lies ahead. As the tempest builds, she notices a figure emerging from beneath the ocean's surface, a man seemingly crafted from water itself, shimmering under the darkening sky. The Waterman, as the islanders call him, is both feared and revered, embodying the will of the sea and the temper of storms. He approaches Moana, his presence fluid yet commanding, with eyes reflecting the wisdom of the waters. Moana stands her ground, her heart pounding with both fear and intrigue. She has heard tales of this Waterman, a guardian of the ocean capable of calming storms but also stirring them if provoked. With a voice like the gentle rumble of distant waves, he speaks to Moana, recognizing her affinity with the ocean and her bravery. He tells her of a challenge that must be undertaken to restore balance. The storm, he explains, is not of nature alone, but fueled by disharmony between sea and land, a discord that threatens to disrupt the natural order. Moana learns that to calm the brewing tempest, she must retrieve a sacred shell nestled deep in the heart of the sea. As they bond over their shared purpose, the Waterman grants Moana a gift, a bracelet of water that will allow her to breathe and glide through the ocean's depths. As she ventures into the raging sea, the storm intensifies. Waves crash with a rhythm that tests her resolve. Guided by intuition and the Waterman's watchful gaze, Moana dives deeper into the ocean's embrace. The journey is perilous, marked by encounters with vibrant coral reefs teeming with life and shadowy caverns where danger lurks. Along the way, Moana faces trials that challenge her courage and wit. She negotiates with cunning sea creatures, faces threatening whirlpools, and proves her mettle against forces that seem insurmountable. Her time under the sea reveals the majesty and mystery of the ocean, a realm both beautiful and ferocious. With determination and guidance from the Waterman, she finally reaches the sacred shell. Its luminescence bathes the surroundings in a gentle glow, a symbol of harmony waiting to be restored. Moana returns to the surface with the shell in hand, the storm relenting as if acknowledging her feat. Back on the island, she presents the shell to the Waterman, and together they place it upon an altar carved from ancient stone. Calmness washes over the ocean, transforming the once raging tempest into a gentle breeze. As the storm subsides, the Waterman nods to Moana, a silent tribute to her courage and spirit. Her adventure has been a testament to her role as a wayfinder, someone who navigates not just physical landscapes, but the complexities of existence itself. Moana knows that the ocean, while sometimes fierce, holds wisdom and connection for those willing to listen, learn, and protect. With the storm's end, Moana gazes out into the horizon, the sun breaking through the clouds in a radiant display.